GoTo Resolve is quickly becoming a go-to solution for remote IT support, and today, we're diving into why it's one of the best tools out there, but not without also pointing out some important things to consider before committing to it. Stick with me till the end, because I've got something special for you. Not just the GoTo Resolve trial, but also some alternatives that might better suit your needs. First things first, GoTo Resolve offers a centralized platform to manage IT support remotely. Whether it's assisting with system troubleshooting or offering a seamless way to manage multiple devices at once, this tool is designed to save time and streamline the process. But is it always the best choice? Well, that's where we need to look deeper. Next thing, GoTo Resolve is equipped with a clean interface that's easy to navigate, even for those without a deep technical background. It integrates well with various devices and operating systems, allowing IT teams to provide support remotely without missing a beat. While this is great for businesses, it does come with a hefty price tag compared to some other options on the market. So, if you're working with a tight budget, it may not be the most affordable solution. The third thing worth noting, GoTo Resolve has powerful security features, ensuring that sensitive information is protected during remote sessions. They've implemented strong encryption and multi-factor authentication, which is a huge plus when dealing with critical systems. But keep in mind, these robust features might require a bit of a learning curve, especially for those who aren't as familiar with remote IT security. The fourth thing, if your organization needs more customization, GoTo Resolve might fall short. While it offers some flexibility, the tool's preset options might not work for everyone. For example, the reports and analytics it provides are somewhat basic compared to some competitors that allow you to create more detailed and tailored insights. You'll need to ask yourself, do you need more customization, or does a simpler setup work for your needs? Now, let's talk alternatives. While GoTo Resolve is a solid choice for many businesses, there are competitors out there that could offer better functionality depending on your specific goals. I'm talking about platforms like AnyDesk or TeamViewer, both of which are known for offering more affordable pricing, better customization options, and in some cases, a more user-friendly experience. They also come with free trials, giving you the opportunity to test them out before making any commitments. To wrap it up, GoTo Resolve is a great tool for remote IT support with some impressive features, but like any software, it comes with its own set of limitations. And as I mentioned earlier, I've got a link below where you can grab an exclusive and extended free trial of GoTo Resolve, but I also want to encourage you to check out the alternatives I've mentioned. Through this link, you'll get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits that are only available to you as a viewer of this video.